Okay, final move is, if you've got any that are sides out of right, put them in the bottom left hand corner. This is now just repetition, but there's a key to the repetition, so you need to do down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left. Now this is in the right correct position now, so hold the cube and turn it down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up. Make sure you do the final left. That one's right. Down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left. Here we go. Down, right, up,